So we discussed slope of line joining 2 points. Now let's so if the two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is -1. If the lines are parallel, the slopes will be equal. Now we discuss equations of the line in different forms. So the first one, the equation of a line in point slope form. So the equation of a straight line passing through some point a x1 comma y1 and having a slope is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the point slope form of the straight line. Now, how do we do? X1, Y1 is a fixed point, and then X comma Y is any point on the line. So okay, so so let's say this is A. And P be any point on the straight line. Okay. So P X comma Y is any point, any variable point on the straight line. Then now given slope of AP is slope of this line, right? Now slope of AP is equal to M. This is given. So any 2 points on the straight line you can take and draw, find the slope. So slope of AP is y minus y1. So y2 minus y1. So y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to m. So therefore we get y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Very simple. This is the point slope form of the straight line. Okay, this is the proof. Each time we don't have to do the proof, but I'm just showing this. Now, corollaries, very important corollaries. Corollaries means associated results. Now, equation of a line passing through the origin and having a slope m is y is equal to mx. So y equal to mx is a straight line which passes through origin. You substitute 0, 0, that means x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The equation is satisfied. If you substitute a point, it satisfies the equation. So if there is no constant term, then the line passes through the origin, y equal to mx. That means x1 comma y1 you are replacing with 0, 0. So passing through origin 0, 0. Now next. Now equation of the x-axis. Equation of the x-axis. Now x-axis will have slope as 0. So m equal to 0. So we get y equal to 0. Throughout the x-axis, we can say the y coordinate is 0 throughout. So equation of the x-axis is y equal to 0. Slope of the x-axis is 0. What will be the equation of the y-axis? Equation of the y-axis. Y-axis is a perpendicular line to x-axis. So slope will be infinity. I can write this as 1 upon 0 and take the 0 this side. We will get the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Next, now equation of a line parallel to the x-axis and passing through x1 comma y1. So it's parallel to x-axis, means m, slope m you have to put as 0. So we get the equation is y equal to y1 or y minus y1 is equal to 0. Here we substitute m as 0. Then we get the result. Next, equation of a line parallel to the y-axis and passing through a x1 comma y1. So this is a line parallel to the x-axis, and this is a line parallel to the y-axis. So, and this point is the point a x1 comma y1. So equation of this horizontal line will be y is equal to y1. So at any point on this line, the y coordinate will be equal to y1. And equation of this line will be x equal to x1. At any point on the line, we will have x equal to x1 or x minus x1 equal to 0. Okay, this is the point slope form. Next, we have a very important result is 2-point form of a straight line. The second type is 2-point form. Two-point form of a straight line. So if a line passes through, if a line passes through 2 points, a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2, then its equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. Or we just write like this in terms of ratio: x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Okay. So how do you get this? So we know now equation of a line passing through 2 points. This is a line. Now there are 2 fixed points through which it passes. A x1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2 and a variable point p x comma y. So because all the 3 points are on the same line, what we get, slope of AP will be equal to slope of AB because they are the same line. So slope of a line joining A and B is same as slope of line joining A and B because they are collinear. They are on the same line. Slope of AP is y2 minus y1, that is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to slope of AB y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So in the point slope form, if you replace m by the slope of the line joining 2 points, we get this form of the straight line, 2-point form of the straight line. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So m is replaced by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is equation of a line joining 2 points. So now corollary condition here, corollary relation. Corollary. So the condition for 3 points A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3 to be collinear. Condition for 3 points A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3 to be collinear is, no condition for 3 points to be collinear. That means the the line joining 2 points passes through the third. So the third point satisfies the equation of the line passing through the other two. Is that is this. I'll write here in the bracket. The third point lies or satisfies the equation of the line joining or line passing through the other points. So equation of a line passing through A and B is this. Now on the third point, x3 comma y3 satisfies this equation. That means when you substitute this, left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. So you'll get y3 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 times x3 minus x1. So we can simplify this one more. So here we can write this as y3 minus y1 times x2 minus x1 times y2 minus y1 times x3 minus x1. So okay, so we can do like this. Show by total multiplication. This is x2 times y3 minus y1. Actually, this is the condition. If it's a numerical problem, this is, if you do, it is sufficient. We are now showing it in another form. X2 times y3 minus y1 minus of x1 times y3 minus y1 equal to x3 times y2 minus y1 minus x1 times y2 minus y1. So let us bring this term this side. So we get x1 times this becomes positive. So you get y2 minus y1, then minus y3 plus y1. Okay, plus x2 times y3 minus y1. Then bring this x3 to this side, plus x3 times y1 minus y2. So this and this cancels. So see the cyclic relation, x1 times y2 minus y3 plus next term. After 1 comes 2, after 2 comes 3, after 3 comes 1 in cyclic order, 1, 2, 3. So next term will have x2 y3 minus y1. So that's what it is, plus x3 times y1 minus y2 equal to 0. Now this, if you know how to evaluate determinants, have they taught you in college or how to evaluate the determinant? This is determinant of 1, 1, 1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 equal to 0. Do we know how to evaluate determinants? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How about Chaitra? I'll show evaluation of determinants soon. But this is value of the determinant. So this is the condition for collinearity. So this is another condition for collinearity. Next, so based on this, we can write the equation of a line. The equation of a line passing through 2 points can also be written as determinant of 1x, y, 1x1, y1, 1x2, y2. Okay. So from 2-point form, we have shown these things. So far we have discussed two basic types of equation of straight line. One is point slope form. Second is 2-point form. Point slope form and 2-point form. Next. Next is the slope intercept form. What do we mean by intercept? So, okay. Slope intercept form. I will explain what is intercept. The equation of the straight line, the equation of the straight line with slope m and cutting off an intercept c on the y-axis is y equal to mx plus c. Very important result. So this is the axis and this is the equation of the line. Now this has slope of m, and intercept means the positive or the negative distance of this is the y-intercept. Now the line cuts the y-axis at a point. Now this distance is called as the y-intercept. Of course, this if it is positive, that means it is having a positive intercept on the y-axis, or if it cuts negative, then it will have a negative intercept. In any case, if this length y-intercept is equal to c, then it means that the point where it is cutting the y-axis is 0 comma c. Okay, since the line makes y-intercept of C, it means the line passes through the line passes through 0 comma C. Therefore, from point slope form, of the line, we get y minus C is equal to m into x minus 0. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is x1 comma y1 you have to take. So the first form of straight line was y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So instead of y1, we write c. Instead of x1, we write 0. So it passes through this. So we get this implies y minus c is equal to mx. Take c to the other side. So y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the point, this is the slope intercept form. This is the slope intercept form. Next, so this is the third form. The fourth form is called as the intercept form, simply, not slope intercept form. It is intercept form, which this is commonly known as intercept form. Actually, it is double intercept. So it's a double intercept form, but it's popularly known as intercept form. So yeah. Just a second. So the intercept form is the equation of a line that makes intercepts A and B with the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. X by A plus y upon B is equal to 1. So how to do this? Let us look into this. Now let us say there's a line which makes some intercepts, like if both the intercepts are positive, the line will be like this. So this is the x-intercept. X-intercept. And this is the y-intercept. This is x-intercept and this is y-intercept. Now x-intercept is equal to a and y-intercept is equal to b. So this point here will be a. I'll write different color. Okay. This point will be a comma 0. And this point will be b, 0 comma b. This length is, this distance is a. Now a, if a is negative, this point will be on this side. B is negative, point will be on this side, lower side. So anyway, if intercept is a, the point where the line cuts the x-axis is a comma 0. And the point where the line cuts the y-axis is 0 comma b. So since the intercepts of the line with x-axis is a and with the y-axis is b, okay, then it means that the line passes through a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Therefore, the equation of line in 2-point form so equation of the line in 2-point form will be, so let us take this as the first point. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So x1 y1 is a comma 0. So x minus x1, here y minus y1. So y minus y1 is equal to slope of line joining 2 points, a comma 0 and 0 comma b. So y2 minus y1, b minus 0 by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. The order is very important. B minus 0, 0 minus by 0 minus a. Order is very important. So now multiply here, we get minus ay is equal to bx minus ab. So bring this to this side on ab on the other side. So we get this implies bx plus ay is equal to ab. Bx plus ay is equal to ab. Now divide by ab. is equal to 1. Now, if we divide the first term bx by ab, bb cancels, we get x by a. The second term ay by ab, a and a cancels, we get y upon b is equal to 1. So we get x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. So this is the intercept form of the straight line. So this is the double intercept form. So let's look at questions. There are 3 more forms of the straight line. Parametric form, symmetric form, and these are 2 main forms left, and normal form, right? Parametric, perpendicular form, parametric form, and symmetric form. Symmetric and parametric are similar, one and the same. So those I will do later. Now, problems on these 4 forms of straight lines. So let us do some problems. Question 1. This is from your exercise question number 2. Question number 3. Find the equation of a line containing or passing through, same, containing 1, 2 and 1, -2. One, 2 and 1, -2. Solution. You can write 2-point form or point slope form. Look at this slope. Slope of this line is -2 -2 by 1 -1. So this is -4 upon 0. So this is a vertical line. Okay. Therefore, the line is vertical or parallel to the x-axis, parallel to the y-axis. The line is vertical or parallel to the y-axis. Okay. Therefore, equation of a line parallel to the y-axis and passing through 1, 2. That means it will be x equal to 1. It will be x equal to constant, x -1 equal to 0, or x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 will satisfy all points. So here you can see x equal to 1, x equal to 1 is there. So it will be a vertical line. You can understand that. So the equation of the line will be x equal to 1. Or if you write the point slope form of the straight line, you will have to write y -2 is equal to -4 by 0 into x -1. Take the 0 to the other side. Usually we don't do it that way, but take the 0 to the other side, this becomes 0. So from there, you get x minus 1 equal to 0. So, okay. Find the equation of the line containing 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2. Next. Next question is find the angle which the straight line makes which the straight line y equal to root 3x minus 4 makes with the y-axis. Find the angle which the straight line y equal to root 3x minus 4 makes with the x-axis. So solution. From the equation of the line, what will be the slope? What will be the slope? Can anybody say?
M is equal to tan 60 degrees.
Slope is root 3. So comparing with y equal to mx plus c, we get m is equal to root 3. Therefore, inclination with the x-axis if inclination with the x-axis is theta, then tan theta is equal to root 3, which implies theta is 60 degrees. So if I want to draw this line accurately, it is 60 degrees inclination with the x-axis, but the y-intercept is minus 4. So it has to be a point somewhere down like this, minus 4. Wait, I'll erase this. Here, of course, you don't need to draw lines accurately. This inclination is 60 degrees. And this point is 0 comma minus 4. It is, point slope intercept form. The intercept is minus 4 on the negative y at a distance of 4 from the origin. So now this is 60. Inclination with x-axis is 60. So what will be the inclination with the y-axis? Angle made with y-axis, let us say, is alpha. Now these are opposite angles, alternate angles. This will also be 60 degrees. Alternate angles will also be 60 degrees. So the angle made by the line with the y-axis is alpha, then alpha plus 60, this is perpendicular, right? The axis will be perpendicular. Sum of three angles should be 180 degrees. This is 90. So in a right angle triangle, the sum of the other two angles will be 90 degrees. So you get alpha plus 60 is 90 degrees, which implies alpha is 30 degrees. The angle made with the y-axis is 30 degrees. Answer. Angle is not 60 degrees. Remember, find the angle which the straight line makes with the y-axis. This is the question. So slope gives the inclination with the x-axis. So that we need to remember. One more. These are basic questions. They're very, very important from the exercise. You must do it. You must. This is, let's say, these are slopes of the following pairs of points. I'll not do the slopes. We will do. Okay. Find the value of y if the line joining the points three comma y and 2 comma 7 is parallel to the line joining the points -1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. -1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Solution. So we'll get, because they are parallel lines, we get slope of line joining slope of line joining 3 comma y and 2 comma 7 is equal to slope of line joining -1 comma 4 and 0 comma 6. Okay, since this is not therefore, this is reverse, therefore it is since lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, their slopes will be equal. So we get y2 minus y1, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to, here in the right hand side, y2 minus y1, 6 minus 4 by x2 minus of minus 1. We should be very careful with regards to the signs. Otherwise, everything will go. So we get minus, this is minus 1. So minus of 7 minus y is equal to 2 by 1. So this is y minus 7 is equal to 2, which implies y is equal to 9. This is y is equal to 9. This simple, very, very simple problem. Next question. Find the equation of the straight line find the equation of the straight lines which make the following angles with the positive x-axis and pass through the given points. So first one, pi by 4 and 0, 0. So solution, which form of the equation of the line can we use? Which form of the equation of line can we use? Inclination of the line is given and 1 point is given. Which form of the equation of the line can we use? We discussed 4 forms. Point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form, and double intercept or intercept form. So in this particular problem, which form should we use?
Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1.
Yes, what is that form called? What is the name of that form?
2-point form.
No, point slope form. Point slope form. Point is there and slope is there. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? Is tan 45. Tan pi by 4 is 1. And x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 0. Therefore, the equation of the line is y minus 0 is equal to 1. M is 1 into x minus 0. So we get y is equal to x. So inclination is 45 and it passes through 0 comma 0. So y is equal to x. So Next question. Angle of inclination with positive x-axis is pi by 3 and it passes through the point 1 comma 2. So please do this. Pi by 3 is 60 degrees.
Root 3x minus 4
Hmm.
plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to 0.
Okay. So M is tan pi by 3, which is under root 3. Now using point slope form, we get y minus 2 is root 3 into x minus 1. We can leave it here. We can leave it here, or we can write as any form. Y is equal to root 3x plus, take this 2 to the other side, 2 minus root 3. Or see, we can write, this is also all right. We have got the answer here. Or we can simplify further, bring all the terms to our other side. Root 3x minus y plus 2 minus root 3. Okay. Other two you should try, 135 degrees and 150 degrees. Question 8. This is important. I'll stop with this question for today. Find the equation of the line find the equation of the line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal and non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. Equal and non-zero, that means it doesn't pass through origin. So which form of line can we use? Which form of the equation of the line can we use in this?
X by a plus y by b is equal to 1.
Very good. So using the intercept form of the line, because it is talking about intercepts on the coordinate axis. So we can use x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now what is given? It cuts off equal intercepts. So given that a is equal to b, thus we can write equation as x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, which implies x plus y is equal to a. Now, I want to find a, and it passes through this point. So, since minus 4 comma 5 lies on the line, it must satisfy the above equation. Therefore, you substitute in place of x minus 4, in place of y 5 is equal to a. So which gives a equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the line is x plus y equal to 1. This is the equation of the line. All right, we'll stop here for today.